picture, size of the mold, does it fit in the press that you're transferring it to? Is it coming off a press that's a special press, right? A lot of different things that go into, hey, does this fit at current vendor A and current vendor B, or are they completely different entities here? And there's a lot that needs to get figured out. But what are some steps that you guys kind of come across when a customer is trying to transition a part, that may differ from the foundry it's coming from to the foundry it's going to?
There's a root cause, right? So if a potential customer has a casting that's not quite coming out of the mold at their current supplier, that they can QC check and send it on its way to its end user, there's a root cause to that. And if Batesville Products in this situation is working with their new customer or a potential customer with a transfer, we want to understand what the root cause of their issue is hands-on. So we might, like Rachel mentioned, the FEAs. So we would run a few parts, run a couple parts, do FAIs on those parts. PPAPs could be involved. The brush stroke is very broad, but definitely problem solving with our customers is super important.
I think you hit the nail on the head there, because it really goes back to the beginning. You're trying to understand the pain, and they could be having a pain of, hey, we're not getting castings, or we're not getting quality castings. And whatever you can find out from your vendor, it may ultimately be that what they had produced doesn't produce a good part. So hopefully, based on your research and the company you're talking to and where it ends up, you gain the confidence that, hey, this is the right way to do it, to make sure that we're not scrapping parts, that we're getting quality castings. But I think ultimately in the end, making sure it's as close to or exactly like, if possible, really the form, fit, and function of your part.